so this is my Type R. I was going to make this video outside, but it's a little loud outside, so just to make it sound a little better, I'm going to do it in the garage. And this is going to be a really quick video. Now, if you know my videos, you know I don't like kind of taking forever to explain something that can be explained quickly. So I'm going to try and explain this as quick as possible, but I'm hoping that this video will answer some questions for people. And if it doesn't answer your question, I respond to every comment. So it's really a good place to have a discussion if you need any help with your car. So the process for tuning the Type R, it's really not that difficult. Now, the first thing I had to do, or that anyone really has to do when they have the Type R, is get their ECU unlocked. So when you get the ECU unlocked, you have to send it to either Honda or Derek Robinson, or just someone who has the ability to unlock the ECU. And to do that, you need to take it out. It's really not that difficult in this car. You'll see there's a screw there. There's a screw down there. And then you have to undo the clips that are on the back holding this on. Really not bad. Now you will take it out of the plastic and you just send the ECU. You don't send the casing with it, or they do charge you extra because it costs more to send it back to you. But it's really not a bad process. I had mine sent out on a Monday and I sent it overnight. The person, Derek, received it on Tuesday, and then I had it back by Wednesday afternoon. It was really a quick process. So it's really not that bad. For those of you who really don't want to send it out or don't feel confident to send it out, I can tell you that I was in that group and I sent it out absolutely fine. I had zero issues. So once you get your ECU back, you're going to need the tuner. Now, the FL5 only allows you to use Honda. On the FK8, you can use K-Tuner or Honda. But on this one, I am limited to the Flash Pro. Absolutely love the Flash Pro Mini. It is so tiny. It's so easy. I leave it plugged in just so I can hook it up to Bluetooth. I have a mount there for my phone. And so I can just leave my phone there with the Honda app open, give me all the diagnostics that I want. And it's really as simple as plugging your computer into Honda and following the steps. It's really not difficult. So for those of you that it may be your first time tuning a car, or just something new, like I came from K-Tuner and I was perfectly happy with K-Tuner. I mean, I really liked K-Tuner. I like having the screen. I liked having how easy it was. But in this case, I'm forced to use Honda, and I can tell you it's just about the same. It really is the same. I'm not going in there and tuning parameters myself. So by using off-the-shelf tunes, I really just, the software is about the same. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, I respond to all comments. But I want to use the comments down below as a discussion board, so that way there may be people in the same boat and it'll help more people. So if you have a question, just feel free to ask it.